Hello students, today we are diving into an important topic in English grammar, the parts of speech. These are the categories that help us understand how words function in a sentence. Knowing them will make your writing better, your communication clearer, and your understanding of English much deeper. There are 8 main parts of speech. Listen carefully: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. We will look at each one with examples and easy explanations. Let's begin with nouns. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples of pronouns are person like teacher, doctor, Ali. Places like school, city, Pakistan. Things like book, pencil, computer, and ideas like love, freedom, happiness, etc. Nouns can be common nouns like boy or city, proper nouns like John or Lahore, abstract nouns like honesty, collective nouns like team or group. A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Example: he, she, it, they, you, and we. Its types include personal pronoun like I, you, he, possessive pronouns like mine, yours, reflexive pronouns like myself, herself, demonstrative pronouns like this, that, and interrogative pronouns like who and what, etc. So instead of saying, for example, Sarah went to Sarah's room, you can say Sarah went to her room. A verb shows action or a state of being. Action verbs like run, jump, eat. Linking verbs like is, am, are, and helping verbs like will, has, can. Let's look at tenses. In the present tense, we write the verb as she reads. In the past tense, we write the verb as she read or she read. In future, we write she will read. Every sentence needs a verb. Remember this all the time. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Its examples are a red car, a tall man, an interesting book. Its types are descriptive adjective like cold, sweet, quantitative adjectives like few, many, and demonstrative adjectives like this, those. Adjectives add color and detail to our language. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or even another adverb. For example, he runs quickly. She is very smart. He spoke quite softly. In all these three examples, the words quickly, smart, and softly are adverbs. In its types, we have the adverb of manner like slowly, happily, adverb of time like now and later, adverb of frequency like always, never, and adverb of degree like very, to, etc. Adverbs tell us how, when, where, and to what extent the action is done in a sentence. A preposition shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word. For example, the book is on the table. She came from the market. We went to the cinema. In all these three examples, the words on, from, and to are the examples of preposition. In common prepositions, we include the words in, on, at, by, under, over, etc. A conjunction connects words or groups of words. For example, we use the words like and, but, or because, and sometimes we use although or other words, etc. In its types, we have coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, subordinating conjunction like because, although, and correlative conjunction like either or neither nor. They help us join ideas smoothly. An interjection is a word that expresses emotion. For example, wow, that's amazing. Oh no, I forgot. Hurrah! We won! They are usually followed by exclamation marks. An article is a word used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something specific or non-specific. For example, a cat is on the roof. The sun is bright. In types a and an are indefinite articles which are used for something unknown or not specific. The word the is a definite article and it is used for something noun or specific. For example, the happy child ran quickly to the park. In this sentence, the words child and park are noun, the word happy is adjective, the word ran is verb, the word quickly is adverb, the word to is preposition, and the word the is the determiner or the definite article. I advise you to write as many sentences as you can and do this exercise on each sentence you write on your notebook. Be practical and learn more. Quiz time? Let's review. What part of speech is beautiful? What is the function of a preposition? Identify the verb in the next sentence. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing what you learned today. Grammar is your best friend in mastering any language. Don't be afraid to ask any question or make mistakes. Just keep learning. Subscribe this channel and turn on the bell icon.